My secret weapon is data. Labels are important. It's a countermark for how many trays we have and how we identify our trays. When you're writing down your information, calculator is not always available, so math is a great tool.
I have my tape gun. If I didn't have my tape gun, I don't even think I could pack half the lines. I'm on the table, I'm just straight business. Trays, trays, trays.
My superpower is strength. First, I check our silo readings. After I took the silo readings, I go and I write those numbers on the board so that our operators are able to know what to look for.
Brain power. 100% my brain. You kind of need critical thinking out there on the floor to be able to solve problems on the spot. What I would be looking for would be to see how each machine is running.